Hello, subscribers, and welcome to another one of my monthly market update videos. Thanks so much for tuning in. We just finished our first month of 2023, so let's take a look kind of what happened. Obviously, Bank of Canada raises the interest rate 8th consecutive time for another quarter percentage, so 25 basis points. They've sort of indicated that they may put a pause on interest rate hikes, but only time will tell. The next interest rate announcement will be set for March 8th of 2023. So we will obviously stay tuned and see what happens in the time being. So although these interest rate hikes have destabilized the real estate market over the last year in Canada, there are several reports out there that are showing that Canadians are still in a good position, mostly relating to the loan to value ratio of their mortgages versus their real estate asset. Is a lot better than it has been over the last decade. Mostly in part due to the extreme increase in real estate prices over the last 2 years. So the loan to value ratio is measured in a percentage, and it's essentially how it sounds. It indicates, the percentage of loan you require as compared to the entire value of that asset. So in Canada, we are now sitting nationally at 57% loan to value. So essentially, your average Canadian has 57% of the entire value of that asset tied up in a mortgage. So locally here in Burlington and Hamilton, although, over the last couple of months, we've had some, the listings have increased, new listings have increased. We actually did have a little bit of a pullback in January. So new listings were down about 4%. But again, the more shocking number is that the number of sales that we're experiencing, even in this last month, was down almost 40% from last year, January 2022. So that's a large number. My perspective on why this is happening is obviously there's still uncertainty with interest rates and buyers are hesitant. But overall, what I'm seeing is that new listings that are being introduced to the market that are priced according to the very recent statistical information in terms of average price points, those listings are selling and selling quite quickly, actually. And I'm even seeing a lot more situations of multiple offers. So, it's, as a seller, it's important to have an agent, to hire an agent who really knows the market, and it's changing so quickly all the time. You really need to be on top of it, or else you're pricing your house way too high. You're wasting your valuable time, and unfortunately it kind of puts a stigma on the house, and eventually you likely end up selling for less than what you could have. So always important to pair yourself up with a really knowledgeable real estate agent. So there you have it, just a quick overview kind of what happened in the month of January. We kind of just went through this polar vortex of extremely cold weather. I even heard that Mount Tremblant was closed for a day of skiing because it reached temperatures of -50. So some crazy cold weather, but now we are flipping that script and it's going to turn warm over the next week or two. So just a quick pointer for those of us who own properties that are not like apartment style, go around, check around your house, check the downspouts, make sure they're all connected properly and flowing away from the house, because we're going to start to see some melt off of the snow. And just check around the house to see to make sure you don't see any pooling water. So just a quick tip there. Just obviously water around houses, no good. Keep it away. Again, thanks for tuning in, watching the video. I hope you are all doing well. And as always, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions about the real estate market. Whether you're planning on selling or buying in the next year, or you're anticipating maybe doing some renovations, I'm here to be your listening board. So reach out anytime, and thanks very much, and have yourself a wonderful day.